Hi there, students. The glitterati. I guess this is nearly always a plural noun. I guess a singular one could be a glitteratus. Yeah, he's a glitteratus. She's a glitteratus. Possible but not so common. Normally the glitterati, celebrities, people with lots of money, the smart set. Let's see, when they have the Academy Awards ceremony or the Oscars, you see the glitterati arriving in their expensive cars or their limousines, and they walk up the red carpet, and there's the press are taking photographs of them. These are the glitterati. These are the celebrity. Yeah, the celebrities, the supermodels, the socialites, the highly fashionable people in society. Private parties for the glitterati, the rich and beautiful and fashionable celebrities, the leaders of society, the people who are the fashionable people of society. They're celebrities, yeah. But the celebrities that are ostentatiously wealthy, they show everyone how rich they are. Yeah, they're fashionable and famous, and they're always being written about in these fashion magazines or these scandal magazines. Yeah, the glitterati. Yeah, the activities of the glitterati are written about in these magazines or these newspapers which specialize in these types of scandal. Yeah, I think there are certain sections of the public who find the lives of the glitterati really interesting. Yeah, the rich, famous, fashionable people. Yeah, this is a restaurant which where you will find the glitterati of the film world. I guess you could have the glitterati of the fashion world, the glitterati of the music world as well. Maybe even the glitterati of the sports world. Okay, this is the fashionable set. This is the in crowd. To be in with the in crowd. Yeah? Normally people who are part of show business or some other glamorous activity. This area of town is a favourite place for the glitterati to hang out. It's become really, really fashionable. Yeah, the beautiful people. A resort packed with media glitterati. I'm thinking maybe there's Saint-Tropez or other places on the Mediterranean coast. Maybe these used to be places where the glitterati went. I'm not sure anymore. The glitterati come from all over the world just to be seen eating in my restaurant. Yeah, glitterati, famous people. They're attractive, they're beautiful, they're the leaders of society, but they're fashionable. Yeah, they're rich, beautiful, and fashionable people. The glitterati of Hollywood. Yeah, the glitterati are all want to go to my new hairdressing salon that I just opened. Yeah, all the glitterati are going to have hair just like mine. Okay, so glitterati, formality. This is informal-ish. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could use in the semi-formal writing. I wouldn't use in something very formal. And then as to origin, well, it's based on the words, or it's a portmanteau of glitter and literati. The literati are well-educated literary people, literary intellectuals who are interested in literature, I get a feeling that the glitterati are in fact illiterati. Yeah, well, I don't know, maybe I'm being rude. Okay, so glitterati, and then from the word glitter, this shiny thing. So the shiny glitter group in society is the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Glitterati.